Hey, have you ever wondered if the size of the universe changes? You know, you've probably heard about the expansion and contraction of the universe hypothesis, with the cyclic model or the oscillatory model, in that the universe, after the initial Big Bang event, the emergence of the cosmos, that it expands to its maximally large size and then starts to contract or withdraw. And it then either goes to such an infinitely dense point that it becomes an actual singularity again, and then a brand new universe emerges, or it doesn't actually reach the point of a singularity, but it reaches such a small point that pretty much everything in the cosmos in its current form ceases to exist, and then it starts to expand again, and new galaxies and structures start to emerge. So what if it's not that extreme? What if it's not that extreme? We have lungs and we're breathing pretty much all of the time, and we don't use the maximum capacity of our lungs, okay? And we don't breathe out, certainly not to the point of like our lungs imploding and having a new set of lungs emerge, okay? We can also consider the seasonal cycles with the lush areas and the desert areas, where you can see it on the global map that they expand and contract. Okay, they expand and contract like that, and it's like a breathing of the planet. Okay, so what if the cosmos, which has the topology of a 3 torus, like a 3-dimensional donut? Okay, I referenced this in other videos due to the wavelength cutoff in the cosmic microwave background radiation that gives us a definite size and shape or topology to the universe. What if on its boundary that we have this breathing going on? Okay, so there's an expansion and contraction, just kind of more gentle, more smooth and harmonious, and not this kind of extreme thing all the way to the biggest absolute maximum size, and then all the way to the tiniest smaller size, and then everything gets destroyed. What if it's actually like a smooth and harmonious process where the universe is breathing pretty much just like everything else in nature? Okay, so to test for that, we could use various satellites to track for these periodic oscillation signals in the large-scale structure. And if we do find these mild oscillations, then this could explain, for example, the hypotension, with discrepant expansion rates. Okay, so if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them below, and I look forward to talking to you soon.